Today, we're going to make a
rat!
Yay! Because
it is the year of the rat.
Year of the rat 鼠年，我们来做个老鼠。Let's make a rat. So you can get any piece of square paper.
Any color.
Any color. You fold in half to a triangle. And then open up. Fold one side to the middle. And another side the same. And then this side, so this is like a kite, and this side fold into the middle. This corner, fold this into the middle. And then from this corner to this corner, you're going to fold into half. And open it up. Just open and make a nice rat ear. And then the same this side. You open and then push it down. And then this little flip going to fold into the middle. This fold into the middle as well. And then going to use this bit as the head, the lens. So you're going to fold back. And then fold this into the middle. You will see this ears and this the head. Then for the tail, we fold it down and the back. But then we want to hide this in, so open it up, push this in. Ears, we fold bit back and then open this little pocket and its ear. Another side, fold this back and open this. Make a nice round ear. With eyes, put your little eye and a little mouth and some whiskers. So here we go. That's our little mouse. What the mouse say?